here, we're gonna jog. However, I'm not gonna jog. It's only Iris who will be jogging today. I injured my right ankle the other week, and so I'm gonna do a combination of jogging and walking. So we'll see you. Stay with us. Bye. So guys, we're actually, where are we, Iris?
Socrates Sculpture Park.
Socrates Sculpture Park is an outdoor museum and public park where artists can create and exhibit large-scale sculptures and multimedia installations. In addition to exhibition space, the park offers an arts education program, artist residency program, and job training. And the best of them all, it's all free. Some of the acclaimed artists that have already exhibited are Virginia Overton, Nari Ward, Agnes Dines, and Meg Webster. If you'll be asking me, I have absolutely no idea who they are. I just come here for the view, some fresh air, and the occasional outdoor movie screenings they have.
This is what I've been telling you guys. The park is actually situated right beside the East River. And on the other side, if you see those buildings over there, they're actually uptown Manhattan.
This one is interesting. It's called the Archipelago. It's actually just an unfinished sink. Sometimes I feel that I don't get art. My niece once went to the Guggenheim Museum. They feature modern and contemporary art. She told me that in the middle of the museum, there was a pile of stones, and it was art. What the heck? This one is like that. It's just an unfinished sink.
Come here. There's a secret garden. Follow me.
A secret? Secret garden?
garden.
Secret?
Secret garden.
You see? We have the kids from Batibot. We're going on a secret challenge. It's okay. There you go. Somebody was.
Secret garden has been invaded.
Such a nice tree. They call it enchanted tree by the enchanted city by this enchanted person. Guys, we're fortunate to have an artist working. That may tools daw siya. Look, we've found the missing link. There you go. That's the missing link. The link to civilization. Okay.
We really enjoy our time here. That is why we always visit when we go out for a walk. It's one of those simple joys in life, having the opportunity to live here in New York City. Well, it's time to leave. We are off to our next place to visit.
So there you go, guys. Socrates Sculpture Park.